Hello and welcome to Your Next Car video of the BMW 430 Grand Coupe, one owner in white. As you can see, it's a lovely looking car. Gloss black, Your Next Car, performance styling, front splitter, front grills, side blades, gloss black mirrors, privacy glass, 19-inch BMW alloys, blue M performance brakes. Side of the car very tidy. The contrast of black and white looks really nice on this vehicle. As you probably know, 430s are quite a rarity. Okay, Your Next Car, gloss black splitter, spoiler. Passenger side of the car looks really nice and tidy. Give you a close-up, no marks. Okay, the passenger side seats, very nice and tidy. Harman Kardon Hi-Fi. The glass black mirrors look really appealing. Okay, xenon headlights. It's the facelift model. Okay, privacy glass again. Seats. Satellite navigation, heated seats. Okay, just covered 35,602 miles. Inside of the car is like new. It's got full BMW service history. Okay, just had a service, 35,000. Inside again, black door cards, black seats, black carpets. Okay. Passenger seat, front seat very clean. Back of the car again very tidy. Okay, this car is physically in stock, ready to drive away today. Currently have 140 BMWs physically in stock at Your Next Car, ready to drive away today. Hope this video was helpful and hopefully we'll see you soon at Your Next Car. Thank you.